Jennifer Elizabeth here with Perry Piccolo's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Today we actually have a plant unboxing. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing 2 of my houseplant subscriptions. So plant mail time! I'm going to be unboxing my houseplant shop box, and I'm also going to be unboxing my blooming bin, which is right here. Both of these boxes are actually the May boxes, so that's what we're going to be unboxing today. So let's jump on in and see what I got inside my boxes this month. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's get started. Let's open these up and see what I got inside. This one here I actually already opened. I opened it because I wanted to make sure that the plant was okay in there. I wasn't sure if I'd actually be able to film this video today. I didn't want the plant to get damaged or to get over dry or to not make it and die. So I did open this up. The plant looks great, and I'm actually really excited because it's a plant that I don't have. So I'm going to open it up and show you. Those of you that have been watching my videos and those of you that know me personally are going to realize that this is like the perfect plant for me, because just wait till you see. You'll get it in like 2 seconds when I pull the plant out. Let me show you the plant, and then I'll tell you what it is. So this right here is the plant. It looks super healthy, green leaves, very exciting. And here's the card that they sent me. So let me tell you what it is. It's an Arabica coffee plant. So yeah, so if you guys know me or if you've been watching my videos, you know I always love coffee. I'm always talking about coffee. I always feel like I need more caffeine for so yeah, so coffee plant is absolutely perfect for me for May. So let me show you the plant. Let's go ahead and cut the elastic off and take off the paper so we can see what it looks like. When I cut this elastic, it is probably going to go flying. That's usually what it does. Oh, it actually didn't this time. But here we go. So let me just undo the paper. So a little bit of dirt spills out, but actually not really much at all. They do a great job by putting the paper bag here. So here's the coffee plant. Super cute. I love it. I've been wanting one of these for a while. And Mandy, if you're watching, look, I got one. We were just talking about this last month. So yeah, so here's the coffee plant, and let me show you the card again that they sent. Right there shows a picture of the plant and tells you the name of the plant, and then the back actually has instructions as far as light, temperature, water. So that's that. So that was my houseplant shop unboxing, and the reason that I decided to do 2 today is because they're both super quick. So that was houseplant shop. Now let's go ahead and unbox number 2, which is my May blooming bin box. Here's the blooming bin box, and before I go ahead and open this up, I just want to clarify. I know that I've called it houseplant box and houseplant shop. It's actually the houseplant box subscription, but it comes from houseplant shop. So houseplant box is the monthly subscription, and there's tons of different plans that you can pick from. And then houseplant shop is the website that you can actually buy plants from without a subscription. So just to clarify that. And now let's go ahead and open up the blooming bin. I have my scissors, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this open the best that I can on camera. All right, there we go. Let me just rip it open. If you haven't heard of Blooming Bin, it's actually a seed subscription box. Sometimes they do send you plants as well, but you have a choice of vegetable seeds and flower seeds, or just vegetable seeds, or just flower seeds. And I can't remember. I did switch my subscription a couple of times, so I honestly don't remember whether this has both or if it just has the vegetable seeds in here. So I guess we will find out together. And then they also send like some gardening tools, and usually like a soil and some kind of fertilizer or soil amendment and things like that. So let's go ahead and open it up and see before I keep rambling on. So here we go. So this is the description paperwork. Oh, it looks like it's a little planting project. Hold on, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. So they sent little pots right here. Looks like it might be 5 or 6 pots. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5 pots. And then they sent a ton of different seeds and some kind of soil. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at all of this, and then I will explain everything is. This is some kind of soil booster. I'm going to read more about it on the card in a moment. And then they actually have this in here too, so I have no idea what this is. Let me see. Hope it's not a live plant, because it was actually unopened for a few days, so hopefully it's not a live plant. Usually they tell you live plants are coming, so okay. Okay, it's not a live plant, but it's super, super cute. Oh my gosh, hold on. What? Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's like, oh, so cute. It's like hummingbirds, and it's some kind of a, like a holder. Let me figure this all out. I will be right back. I am so excited about this. Those are so cute. Oh my goodness. Be right back. This is actually a solar powered hummingbird wind chime. It's super, super cute. And then the theme of the month was different kinds of beans. So again, I can't remember whether I did the plants alone, like the vegetable plants, or if I did the flowers. So when I look at the card, it says that, okay, so this is the fruit and vegetables. So I did elect to not get flowers because I have a ton of flower seeds anyway. So, okay, good decision on that one. Okay, so a ton of different type of bean seeds. So let's find out what these all are because I honestly have no idea. And it's crazy. Like, who knew there were that many kinds of beans, right? Okay, number one, Slenderette bush bean seeds. That's the first one. Number two is this one right here, and it is a strike bush bean seeds. Number three, okay, I recognize these ones, Pinto bush bean seeds. My son loves pinto beans, so he'll be totally excited about that if they grow and do well. Roma 2 bush bean seeds. And then this one is Royal Burgundy bush bean seeds. Those will be fun. Never actually seen those. Okay. Oh, wow. Top-notch golden wax bean seeds. That's another one that my son loves. And the last one is Taylor Dwarf Horticulture bush bean seeds. So lots and lots of beans. The cool thing about that is that even though we're going into June, beans are very fast growing and they do really, really well. Like, you don't need a lot of amazing conditions to grow beans. You just need some great dirt and some fertilizer, water, some sun, and they will just take off. So this is really, really cool. It'll be very rewarding for my son too as well, because to plant, you know, for a 7-year-old, it's always fun. It's rewarding when something actually grows really quickly and does well, because, you know, they're like, I don't want to wait 6 weeks for something, like tomatoes, 8 weeks, 3 months. So yeah, so these are going to be a lot of fun. So I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and learn more about what it is that they sent me for this soil amendment. Let me look at this here. So it's 2 tablespoons of Jack's Blossom Booster. It says that it's water soluble, so it says to dissolve in warm water, add to outdoor plants when buds are just beginning to form in place of normal watering. Okay, so this will be almost like a fertilizer bloom booster, so that's really cool. And then these are to start the seeds in for the beans. so yeah, that's actually a really cool bin. I'm really surprised and I'm really excited. And again, I'm so excited about this. It's beautiful. I'll definitely be hanging this outside on our balcony. And yeah, like once I have it hung up and I have some things actually growing, I actually do have a lot of things growing right now. I have a lot of lettuce and other things like that. But once I get these beans growing, I'll go ahead and show you what everything looks like. For Houseplant Box and also for Blooming Bin, I do have referral codes and coupon codes. So I will go ahead and put those in the description. And also, I'll put a link to their sites in case you want to check them out. So yeah, so there are coupon codes for both of those. So keep a lookout for those in the description. So that was it for my houseplant box unboxing and for my Blooming Bin unboxing for both May subscriptions. I'm really excited. I got some cool things. The beans that I can go ahead and do with my son in the starter pots, and of course the hummingbird solar wind chime, and also the coffee plant. We can't forget that, the showstopper right here as well. So I hope that you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification button so that you know next time I upload, and have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.